Are you ready to unlock the secret to looking 10 years younger in just 30 minutes? Say goodbye to extensive surgeries and lengthy downtimes. I'm Dr. J, and I'm proud to present my revolutionary J Lift Instant Facelift, the ultimate solution for those looking to rewind time and reclaim their youthful appearance. What if I told you that in just 30 minutes, you could walk out of my clinic looking and feeling rejuvenated without the need for a surgical facelift? Yes, you heard that right. So, what exactly is the J Lift Instant Facelift, and how does it work? I've developed a unique, proprietary blend of techniques and products, customized to your individual needs, making the J Lift Instant Facelift an experience like no other. The best part is the entire procedure is performed under local anesthesia, ensuring that you remain comfortable throughout the process. With no downtime and immediate, long-lasting results, the J Lift Instant Facelift is the perfect solution for anyone looking to revitalize their appearance and boost their confidence. Visit our website or call us today to book your consultation with me, Dr. J, and unlock the secret to age-defying beauty.